Hey everybody, this is NCK 2310 and I am showing you the old town Gamla Stan in Stockholm. Welcome, walk with me as I show you Gamla Stan, the old town of Stockholm. We have many different nice shops with souvenirs. It's still raining. Show you a little bit Gamla Stan, old town of Stockholm. We have many different nice small shops. These are some of the small streets of old town in Stockholm. Still drizzling, it's still raining. Walk with me as we walk here, downtown of Stockholm. Look, there are many small streets. Many different shops, many different I am here showing you old town Stockholm. It's raining, but as you can see, look at that, very small street. Look, small streets. Very nice, and you can buy here everything in these small shops. Beautiful. Some of the shops. If you like beautiful design glass things, here we go. When we lived in Stockholm, we used to be good customers here. We used to buy a lot of stuff over here. Nice things. So nice. Today is the 14th of March 2026, and I'm showing you here old town in Stockholm. Gamla Stan as we call it. Very different nice shops. Walk with me as I show you around. Wow! Very nice shops as well. Interesting shops. We have the small streets, you see. Here it's safe. It is safe here in Stockholm, in Old Town. It is safe. Even on these small streets, no problem. You see, there are many shops in Old Town. Very nice. You see, small streets, nice. This reminds me very much to my country in Kenya, Gamla Stan, in the old town of Mombasa. How I wish that we would have so many shops like this. Because this old town, look at that collection of cameras. There are small streets everywhere, as you can see, everywhere. There are small streets. Very beautiful. Another small street. Walk with me downtown in Stockholm. Gamla Stan, Old Town. It's raining, it's still drizzling, but the shops are still open. At least no more snow because winter is finished. Now we are entering spring. So let me walk you through the old town of Stockholm. Our Swedish flag. Walk with me, walk with me. Walk, walk, walk as we look around. Made in Sweden. This is Old Town, Gamla Stan, Stockholm. You see all the small streets? That's one street. That's another street. Look at an old church over there. These are the streets of Old Town in Stockholm. So walk with me. I walk and you walk with me. You see that? Side of Sweden, Dalarna. Side of Sweden. It's been raining a lot, so see, many people have umbrellas because it's raining. Actually, it's been raining today, almost the whole day. Other small streets inside. So nice as we walk in the streets of Old Town, Stockholm. You see, there are thousands and thousands of shops. And spring has just started. In summertime, you can imagine how full all these places are. Other small streets. Sorry. Oh, Paganini. This is one of our favorite restaurants here in Old Town. They cook very nice, especially their pastas. Very, very good. Paganini. Still in downtown in Stockholm. Still, I want to take you with me as I walk. You walk around with me as well. So nice. So I think we're gonna go to that small street over there. Yeah, we take that small street over there. So other streets as well, as you can see. Continue walking with me as I show you Stockholm, old town. Another small street. Wow, so that was a nice walk into Old Town. Hope you've enjoyed it. A little bit moving around. And then, as you can see over there, look at that. That is again on the other side. Very nice. It's raining, but hey, look, that is Stockholm. We've just come out there from the old town, as you can see. Now we walk over there and then we turn. What can I say? I thank you all so much for watching, following me, supporting me. And please, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to touch the subscribe button to support me. You can like, comment, and share as well as I continue to show you this beautiful city of Stockholm. Thank you. I'm NCK2310 and watch the next video. Ciao, ciao.